So good morning guys, new problem, my van won't start, so now I was supposed to be at work, well, in 10 minutes, so, it's okay. I've just called my manager and he said it's okay, so I figured I'd just make a very quick early transmission about that. I don't know why. So I just finished work, unfortunately. I had to park on the other side, so I need to park across the road really quick before I get run over. Oh god, here we go. Nothing coming. Yeah, just need to go put fuel in Corolla's little monster, little sweet monster. I'm not allowed to call it mean names anymore, so it is a cute little car. I'm going to put fuel in her cute little car. Oh. I caught you on my chair. I caught you on my chair. Hey. Toby. Yes, you. I caught you on my chair. There was plenty of evidence that you've been on there. With all the dog hairs. Dog hairs? All the cat hairs and all. Meow? Anyway, so it was just a short day today. Very busy. We're both really tired, so and I'm also about 7 vlog days behind. I have recorded them, obviously, if you've been watching them, so fair enough. So I haven't missed any days, so I'm still on day, what would that be now, 250? Oh, never mind. I'm not sure what day this is. Anyway, so we're gonna say goodnight. Well, I'm gonna say goodnight. Corolla's already gone to bed, so good night, take care, have fun, and we'll see you tomorrow. I know. Yeah. Aww. You like a mermaid? Beautiful German mermaid.